From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your Eastern Mountains Neighborhood Forecast.
Well, happy 4th of July, everyone. Hoping you're having a good day. Hope you're enjoying time with your friends and family. Hopefully you're staying cool out in that heat. You know, by fireworks display time, I think you're going to be in pretty good shape here as far as those temperatures are concerned. No rain, not much in the way of cloud cover either, so it should be some good clear skies for those fireworks displays. But it will continue to be hot. I just expect a drop in our temperatures, and, you know, there's also a chance for thunderstorms in the forecast, which we'll get into here in a second. But let's talk about that trend here. You see how temperatures are dropping. In fact, we peak with that drop around Friday, Saturday, and then an increase in our temperatures. But as of right now, I'm not anticipating any more advisories or excessive heat warnings. It'll just start to warm up again going into next week. Now, again, come fireworks display time, there you can see about 10 o'clock, mainly clear skies, temperatures in the mid-70s. So mid to upper 70s by the time you're watching those fireworks tonight. Temperatures, though, eventually dropping down into the upper 50s for most of us in the eastern mountains. Upper 80s, low 90s for those daytime highs for your Wednesday. Let's take a look at the ridge of high pressure that's in place. Now, there is an area of low pressure right here that's going to dive down to the south and east. That's what's going to help to drop our temperatures, but it'll also help to destabilize the atmosphere. But I'm thinking most of the thunderstorms, let's take you through tomorrow afternoon. Now you see how we're seeing these thunderstorms popping up off to the north of us in Siskiyou and Modoc counties. We may see a stray thunderstorm developing in extreme northeastern Lassen County, but I think everyone else will be looking at dry conditions through the day on Wednesday. And I think it's going to be the same thing on Thursday. There's Thursday, 5 p.m. You see those thunderstorms are getting really close to the northeastern portions of Lassen County, but you'll notice we're not really seeing any thunderstorms popping up on Futurecast. Now, we can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm over the next few days, but I think the bulk of the activity will be up to our north in Siskiyou and Modoc counties. And the long range, as we get kind of zoom in closer, you're going into the weekend, we're just not seeing any activity here, and that'll continue even as we go into early and the middle part of next week. Okay, so if you're heading out to the 4th of July fireworks display here, east shore or on a boat at Lake Almanor, check it out. Should be a beautiful sight. 10 o'clock tonight is when the fireworks display will begin. Temperatures probably somewhere in the upper 70s. We'll call it partly cloudy, but it shouldn't really have an impact on the viewing of those fireworks. And if you're heading out in Susanville to the Diamond Mountain Speedway, by 9 p.m. we're about 79. By 10 p.m. temperatures around 75 degrees. So mainly clear skies, temperatures somewhere in the mid to upper 70s as the fireworks display starts tonight. All right, so here's your Wednesday forecast. 92 for Montgomery Creek, 87 for Shingletown, 93 in Paynes Creek, and your 7-day forecast for Bernie. There's that peak of that cooling trend on Saturday, but temperatures starting to slowly increase after that. Let's take you out to Lake Almanor, 85 for the peninsula, 84 that is in Prattville. There's Chester with a high of 89, and there's your 7-day forecast for Chester. No thunderstorms are in the forecast over the next 7 days. Paradise, a high of 89, Mineral 86. There you can see Janesville about 85, and there's Doyle about 94, and looks like Susanville, a high of about 92 degrees. Speaking of Susanville, there's your 7-day forecast. And I don't have any thunderstorms in the forecast. In fact, it's going to be dry. The peak of the cooling trend, Saturday. Temperatures increasing after that into the low 90s by Sunday and Monday.